Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, some brief partial sun after a heavy downpour in East Providence about 45 minutes ago for a bit of a faint rainbow. So very changeable skies today, lots of clouds, occasional brief hazy sunshine. Of course, the bigger weather story is some of those heavier showers and thunderstorms, some with the downpours, the high humidity fueling some of those storms and also producing some locally dense fog in some areas. A lot to cover. Let's first start with live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. The bulk of the real heavy activity has pulled away, and it's really weakened now out across southeastern Massachusetts heading up towards Boston. But these little tiny elements of green and yellow popping up, an isolated shower, Ashaway, another one towards New Bedford and heading towards Buzzards Bay. So even though the bulk of the precipitation has moved out, still getting isolated showers. Now what the Doppler radar can do is actually estimate how much rain has fallen, and this light green area in the Providence metro area that indicates rainfalls between 1 inch to 1.25 inches over a short period of time, and why we had some localized street flooding along places like Route 10 and Route 6. So while the widespread rain is pulled away, still keep an eye to the sky next couple of hours for still an additional shower or thunderstorm, even though it's rather quiet in Providence right now. 64, humidity remains very high at 94%. And again, that high humidity like octane fuel for some of these heavier downpours. Temperatures now in the mid-60s. Before the rain moved in, we had enough thinning of the overcast and some brief hazy sun to actually warm the temperature up today to 70. All right, let's take it into future mode now. Starting at 8 o'clock this evening, I do expect a lot of low clouds and some fog, especially near the water. And while we're not showing it here, I wouldn't rule out another isolated shower or thunderstorm. But watch the gray skies overnight through tomorrow morning, indicating what we call stratus clouds and fog. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. Advance the map into the afternoon. You see these little green blips popping up, and once again, these are the random isolated showers and thunderstorms. This is noontime, but also draw your attention to, despite some showers and thunderstorms, also some breaks of hazy sunshine, so perhaps more rainbow weather. But unfortunately, brief downpours are possible during the afternoon and into the early evening hours. So for this evening and tonight, locally dense fog will be reforming, and even though it's quiet right now, over the next several hours, still keep an eye to the sky for a brief pop-up shower or thunderstorm. Reduced visibility tomorrow morning, giving it the yellow caution light, clouds and fog early in the morning, 58 to 63. And tomorrow, much like today, partial sunshine, mild and humid, temperatures topping out upper 60s to near 70, but still can't rule out that isolated shower or thunderstorm. On the bay, looking at winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10. Temperatures should recover to about 65 to 70, at least away from the ocean. Any sun would be limited and brief. Isolated showers and thunderstorms, and with the high humidity, there may be some brief downpours. 65 to 70 across southeastern Mass, though cooler along the ocean. 7-day outlook, we're still looking okay for the weekend. It does look dry. Partly sunny on Saturday, 70. Mostly sunny, dry, nice on Sunday, 65 to 70. Warm weather for next week in the 70s with some scattered showers Monday and Tuesday. Doesn't necessarily mean it's one of those storm systems that's stalled and stuck for many, many days. Just random showers early in the week with temperatures in the 70s. So a busy week as far as the weather goes, but things get better for the weekend.
Thanks, Tony.
Coming up new at 5:30 on Eyewitness News, a